Stress less, play more. A little squeeze, a little ease. When life gives you stress, grab a squishy. Let go of stress. One fidget at a time. Small toys, big relief. Squeeze it, squish it, stress dismissed. Fidget, spin, pop. Good vibes don't stop. Squishy today, stress-free tomorrow. Pop it like it's stressing you out. Twist, turn, fidget. Let stress quit it. When in doubt, fidget it out. One pop at a time. One smile at a time. Goodbye, stress. Hello, happiness. Life's too short to be stressed. Just squish and de-stress. Keep calm and fidget on. Subscribe to my channel.